Is it just me, or does it seem like we're being bombarded by new AI apps every single day? And let's be real, most of them are completely useless when it comes to making money online. But I've been doing a lot of research lately on the best AI apps to share with my subscribers that actually work. And I've found some that you can use today to create a profitable online income stream, if you use them correctly. Let me show you. But before I do, this video is part 1 of a new series of videos where I share the best money-making AI apps here on my channel. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you can be the first to see part 2. Now, the first AI app that I found that can actually make you money online is called 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏. Now, 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏's website says that it's a web hosting site, but don't let that fool you, because inside the 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 app is a super powerful AI that allows you to create entire websites in just seconds. And the best part is, you can do it all using your phone. So this one is perfect for all of the comments I get from people looking for a side hustle to do if you only have a phone and don't have a laptop. Let me show you how it works. Here inside the 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 website builder, all you have to do is enter your brand name, what type of website you want the AI to build for you, like a blog for example, and a brief description of what you want your website to look like. Then, in just a few seconds, you'll see the 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 AI has created an entire website for you that actually looks really great. But I know you're wondering, how are you going to monetize this website now? Well, there's lots of ways that you could use 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 to make an online income. But from my experience, the easiest one for complete beginners and the one that can make you the most amount of money online is to use the 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 AI to create monetized affiliate websites. Here's how. The best thing about the 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 app is that it also has an AI blog generator that is like none that I've ever seen before, because it can write fully monetized affiliate articles by automatically adding your affiliate product links to the article for you, and it does it in just seconds. To do that, open the AI blog generator, pick the tone of voice that you want the AI to use, the number of words you want your article to have, and then a prompt that describes the type of article that you want it to write for you. Then you just have to ask it to hyperlink your affiliate product links right into the article for you, like this. Then just tap the Create Content button, and 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏's AI will write the entire affiliate article for you in less than a minute. If you want a step-by-step video on how you can do this yourself, I created a full tutorial over on my channel. The link to that video is down in the description. The next AI app that I found that can really make you money online, if used correctly, is 𝗃𝗍𝗑. You've probably seen talking avatar videos like this one come across your YouTube feed from other viral channels and wondered, how did they create those? Before the rise of AI apps, to create talking avatars, it would require you to be a graphic designer and animator to create something like this. Not to mention, it would take days or weeks to do it. But with the 𝗃𝗍𝗑 AI, now anyone, even people with zero animation skills, can create high-quality talking avatars and then use them to monetize content on YouTube just like this. But if you want to be able to create believable talking avatars that will actually make you money, there are a few specific steps that you need to follow. Let me show you. First, head over to the 𝗃𝗍𝗑 AI website and create your account. Once you're logged in, you want to click the Create button. Before you create your animated avatar, you need to start with an avatar photo. 𝗃𝗍𝗑 has lots of pre-populated avatar photos that you can choose from. But for this strategy to work, you need to create your own unique avatar photo. You can do this using an AI art generator. For this video, I already created this example avatar photo that you can see on my screen right here. But when creating an avatar photo of your own, you need to make sure that your avatar matches the style of video you want to create, or your niche. For example, I'm going to use the food or diet niche because my avatar photo is holding a dish with food on it, but you can choose any niche that you want. Next, click the Script tab. You can type, paste, or speak your script into the box right here. But a quick pro tip, you can actually use other AI tools to write your YouTube scripts for you if you're not sure how to do it or you just want to speed up the process. So next, I'm going to paste my example script into the box right here. My example script is really short, only because I'm creating this as a quick example just to show you how everything works. Once you've added your script, the last thing you need to do is to pick your avatar's voice by clicking right here. Once you've chosen your voice, you want to come up here to the top right and click the Generate Video button. Depending on how long your script is, it might take a few minutes for the 𝗃𝗍𝗑 AI to generate your video for you. But once it's done, click your completed video here and you'll see the AI has created a talking avatar for you using your uploaded photo that is perfectly synced to your script. Now, I know what you're thinking. Stacey, this is great, but how am I going to monetize these talking avatars? Well, there are lots of ways that you can create an income using talking avatars. But my favorite is with faceless YouTube channels, like the one I showed you earlier. Accounts like the one on my screen are making thousands of dollars per month from YouTube monetization. But I know a way that you can make money online with this idea, even if your YouTube channel isn't monetized yet. And once again, you can do this with affiliate marketing. By adding profitable affiliate products to your video descriptions, you can monetize your faceless avatar videos from day one without having to wait for your channel to be monetized by YouTube. Affiliate products is how I personally monetize my channel from day one, allowing me to make money from my very first video. So you're going to use your talking AI avatar to create helpful YouTube videos within whatever niche that you choose. Then monetize those videos with affiliate products. This strategy has personally made me multiple six figures over the last few years, so I know firsthand that this does work. Now let's move on to the last AI app, and this one you can use to create a profitable passive income stream. The last AI app is called Leonardo AI. Some of you have probably heard of Leonardo before, but if you haven't, it's an AI image generator app. There are lots of AI image generator apps out there right now, but Leonardo is my favorite because it's much more advanced and much more intuitive than any other image generator app that I've personally tried. And it gives you a lot more control over the types of images that you can create. Leonardo AI can create images for marketing, interior design, game assets, but that's not what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you a completely passive way that you can use the Leonardo AI to make the most amount of money online, and how you can do it completely passively. Now, a popular product that is consistently trending on Etsy for customers to buy is wall art, both physical and digital wall art. And there's lots of tutorials out there showing you how to create and sell wall art on Etsy. But the problem is, most people teaching this strategy here on YouTube are giving you outdated information, which only results in your failure. That's because they tell you to go and download basic royalty-free images online, then upload them to Etsy as wall art and try to sell them. Maybe that worked 7 or 8 years ago, but I'm sorry to tell you that just does not work anymore because royalty-free images have been overused, resulting in everyone trying to sell the same thing. So if you really want to make money online with wall art, passively, and in less time, here's what you're going to do instead. Now, pay attention because this one is a little bit more complicated. You're going to come over to Etsy and find a style of wall art that is currently trending right now. This will work with both physical and digital wall art. Next, you're going to come over to the Leonardo AI and ask it to create something similar for you. The benefit of using AI, specifically Leonardo, for this is that you can quickly take advantage of trends in the wall art niche and create one-of-a-kind, unique images that no one else is selling. And you can do it in just seconds. For example, if I see that this style of vintage animal portrait wall art is selling on Etsy, I can come back over to Leonardo, enter a prompt describing this style of art, and then the Leonardo AI will create a unique image in the same style that I can now use to create wall art for my own Etsy shop. Then I can use an app like Printify to fulfill the orders for me. And that is what makes this completely passive. Now, this is a simplified explanation of this income idea, but don't worry because I also created a full tutorial on this over on my channel that you can follow step by step to set this all up in less than an hour. Now, these 3 AI apps are amazing, and I love using them to create and grow income streams of my own. But there are so many more out there with the same potential to create your next online income stream. To help you stay on top of the newest AI apps, I'll be posting part 2 of this series in the next couple of weeks.